Welcome back to Power Tools Pro. In today's video, we're showcasing 14 genius plumbing tools that help you work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. These innovative tools are designed to save time, improve accuracy, and make even the toughest plumbing jobs easier for professionals and DIY users alike. The Knipex DP50 pipe cutter is designed to make cutting plastic drain pipes faster, easier, and more precise. It works perfectly on 32, 40, and 50 millimeter pipes and delivers clean, professional results every time. The self-adjusting guide rollers keep the pipe aligned, ensuring straight and accurate cuts without slipping. Its dual-stage blade allows you to cut and chamfer in one smooth motion, saving both time and effort. The high-quality ball-bearing steel blade stays sharp even after repeated heavy use, ensuring long-term performance. When replacement is needed, the blade can be changed quickly and easily. Built with durability and comfort in mind, this cutter improves efficiency and helps plumbers complete installations and repairs with better accuracy and professional quality results. The EZARC pipe cutter is designed to provide fast, clean, and precise cuts on copper, stainless steel, and aluminum pipes. Its sharp SKD steel blade ensures excellent cutting performance and long-lasting durability. The smooth rolling mechanism allows controlled cutting, preventing uneven edges or slipping. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to handle, even in tight spaces or overhead work areas. This improves comfort and reduces user fatigue. The strong construction ensures reliable performance during heavy use. It is available in different sizes to match various pipe diameters. This tool helps plumbers complete installation and repair jobs faster while maintaining professional quality results. It is a dependable solution for anyone who values accuracy, efficiency, and durability in pipe cutting tasks. A sudden pipe leak can cause serious damage within minutes, but the Kibosh Rapid Repair Clamp gives you a fast and reliable temporary solution. This smart tool is designed to instantly stop water flow from burst or cracked pipes. Simply place the clamp over the damaged section and snap it closed to create a secure seal. It requires no special skills or additional tools, making it perfect for emergency situations. Its compact size allows easy storage in any toolbox, vehicle, or emergency kit. Built from durable, pressure-resistant materials, it holds firmly in place while you prepare a permanent repair. This clamp helps prevent water damage, reduces repair costs, and gives you peace of mind during plumbing emergencies. The King Tony Pliers wrench is a versatile tool that combines gripping power with precise control, making plumbing work easier and more efficient. It can handle fasteners up to 42 millimeters wide, allowing you to work on a variety of fittings and pipes. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during long tasks. The powerful 8-to-1 leverage ratio multiplies your hand force, allowing you to loosen tight or stubborn fasteners effortlessly. Made from high-quality hardened steel, it offers excellent durability and long service life. Its smooth jaws help prevent damage to surfaces while maintaining a firm grip. This tool is ideal for both professionals and DIY users who need strength, reliability, and precision in one compact design. The Viega MegaPressG system is designed to revolutionize pipe connections by making them faster, safer, and more efficient. Instead of soldering or welding, this press-fit system creates secure connections in seconds. It works with plumbing and heating pipes up to 4 inches in diameter, making it suitable for residential and commercial applications. Each connection takes only about 16 seconds, dramatically reducing labor time. Because it eliminates open flames, it also improves job site safety. Built from strong, high-grade materials, it ensures leak-free and long-lasting performance. This system helps professionals increase productivity while maintaining high installation standards. It also reduces physical effort and speeds up project completion. For modern plumbers, this innovative press system is a true time-saving solution. The Cobra Plunge-It is a powerful and efficient plunger designed to clear toilet clogs quickly and easily. Its high-performance design creates strong pressure, allowing it to remove stubborn blockages with less effort. The durable rubber cup forms a tight seal, improving suction and clearing clogs faster. Its non-marking material protects toilet surfaces from scratches and damage. The strong, ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip and better control during use. Built for long-term durability, it performs reliably even with frequent use. This tool helps save time and reduces frustration when dealing with plumbing issues. Whether you are a professional plumber or a homeowner, this tool offers dependable performance and makes clearing clogged toilets easier and more effective. The RIDGID SeeSnake microReel is a powerful inspection tool that allows plumbers to see inside pipes clearly and accurately. It features a high-quality camera that delivers sharp, upright images, helping you identify blockages, leaks, or damage quickly. The built-in LED lights improve visibility in dark pipe interiors, ensuring clear viewing in all conditions. TrueSense technology enhances image detail, providing more accurate inspection results. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport and use in different locations. The built-in kickstand keeps it stable during operation. This tool saves time by helping you diagnose problems faster without unnecessary pipe removal. It improves efficiency and accuracy, making it an essential tool for professional plumbers and maintenance technicians. The Korky 528 microReel toilet fill valve is designed to fix common toilet problems while improving overall performance. It eliminates issues like constant running, noisy refills, and weak flushing, helping your toilet operate smoothly again. Its quiet operation makes a noticeable difference, especially in homes where noise can be disturbing. The adjustable refill feature allows precise control of water levels, improving efficiency and reducing waste. It also includes a built-in strainer that captures debris and sediment, extending the life of the valve. Installation is simple and does not require advanced plumbing skills. Built with durable materials, it delivers long-lasting reliability. This upgrade is perfect for restoring toilet performance while improving efficiency, comfort, and long-term dependability. The Keeney no-crimp PEX valves make connecting PEX pipes faster, easier, and more secure. These push-on valves use a compression sleeve system that creates a strong, leak-free seal without special crimping tools. Installation is simple. Just slide the valve onto the pipe and tighten the nut using basic hand tools. The internal barb and double O-ring provide extra protection against leaks, ensuring reliable performance. Its quarter-turn ball valve design allows quick and easy water control. Built from durable, high-quality materials, it delivers long-lasting performance in both residential and commercial plumbing systems. This valve saves time, reduces installation complexity, and improves reliability. It's an excellent solution for plumbers and DIY users who want fast, secure pipe connections. The REFCO hydraulic pipe bender makes bending pipes faster, easier, and more precise compared to manual bending methods. It is designed for copper, brass, and plastic pipes commonly used in plumbing systems. This tool can bend soft copper pipes ranging from 1/4 to 7/8 of an inch in diameter. The hydraulic mechanism reduces physical effort, allowing smooth and controlled bending with minimal force. Its built-in angle indicator helps ensure accurate and consistent bends every time. This improves installation quality and reduces mistakes. The sturdy construction ensures durability and reliable performance even with frequent use. It also helps save time by completing bends quickly and efficiently. This tool is ideal for professionals who want precision, efficiency, and ease in pipe installation work. The Capri tool's double flaring tool is designed to create precise and reliable double flares on tubing quickly and efficiently. It works perfectly with steel, copper, and nickel tubing, making it ideal for plumbing, brake lines, and mechanical applications. This tool significantly reduces work time compared to traditional flaring methods. Its compact and portable design allows you to use it both on and off installed lines, even in tight spaces. The detachable die also allows bench vise mounting for added stability. It requires only basic wrenches to operate, making it simple and convenient. Built from strong, durable materials, it ensures long-lasting performance. This tool helps professionals create secure, leak-free connections with better accuracy and less effort. The Superior Tools 3710 Sink Drain Wrench is designed to make installing and removing sink drains quick and easy. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it offers excellent strength while remaining lightweight. Its versatile design allows it to work with sink strainers, shower drains, and faucet lock nuts. The precision shape provides a secure grip, preventing slipping and improving control. Its powder-coated finish makes cleaning simple and protects against corrosion. This tool helps reduce installation time and effort, making plumbing tasks more efficient. Its durable construction ensures long-term reliability even with regular use. Whether you are working on kitchen or bathroom plumbing, this wrench provides convenience, strength, and professional-level performance in one reliable tool. The Superior Tool Basin Buddy is a smart plumbing tool designed to simplify difficult under-sink jobs. It helps remove and install lock nuts, coupling nuts, and supply nuts easily without damaging them. Its unique slot design grips nuts securely, preventing slipping and breakage. The cutaway body allows it to fit around existing supply lines, making it perfect for tight spaces. This eliminates the need for multiple tools and reduces effort. Built from strong and durable materials, it ensures long-lasting performance. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. This tool saves time, reduces frustration, and improves efficiency. It is an essential addition to any plumber's toolbox for handling sink and faucet installations. These genius plumbing tools are designed to save time, improve accuracy, and make your work easier. Which tool impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Power Tools Pro for more amazing tool videos like this.